Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the washer motor clutch actuator in your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a 10mm socket and a 3/8" socket. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord and shut off the incoming water supply. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall or out of the closet. Detach the venting from the dryer. Remove the hot and cold water supply lines from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Remove the end of the drain hose from the standpipe or laundry tub. Secure the washer lid with tape. Now carefully tip the appliance back so it rests on its rear panel. Use the 10mm socket to unthread the 4 mounting screws to release the belt cover. This will make it easier to install the new clutch actuator. Disconnect the clutch actuator wire connector. Now use the 3/8" socket to unthread the 2 mounting screws to release the old actuator. To install the new washer motor clutch actuator, align the lever with the shifting cam as you position the component on the tub. Secure it with the screws. Connect the wire connector. Reposition the belt cover and rethread the mounting screws. The larger screws secure the cover to the transmission plate. With the cover secured, return the laundry center to its upright position. Reinsert the drain hose into the standpipe or hook it onto the edge of the tub. Reattach the hot and cold water supply lines to the inlet valve ports. Reattach the venting and move the appliance back against the wall or into the closet. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in. And your laundry center should be ready for use.